Outlive by Peter Attia offers a thought-provoking exploration into the science of longevity, articulating a vision where living longer is intricately tied to living better. Attia, a physician deeply immersed in the nuances of aging and preventive medicine, constructs a narrative that challenges conventional wisdom about aging, advocating for a life where our later years are characterized by vitality, mental clarity, and physical fitness. The book's central tenet posits that longevity should not be solely measured by the number of years lived, but by the quality of those years. Attia introduces the concept of health span as distinct from lifespan, emphasizing the importance of prolonging the period of life spent in good health. He argues that with the right lifestyle choices, we can influence the trajectory of our aging, reducing the risk of chronic diseases that often mar later life. To this end, Attia presents a multifaceted approach centered around four key pillars: nutrition, exercise, sleep, and stress management. Each pillar is explored in depth, providing the reader with both the scientific underpinnings and practical advice to incorporate these principles into their lives. In the realm of nutrition, Attia delves into the science of what to eat, emphasizing the role of diet in regulating metabolism, preventing chronic disease, and influencing longevity. He advocates for a diet rich in whole foods, low in processed sugars, and balanced in macronutrients. Moreover, Attia explores the timing of meals, introducing concepts like intermittent fasting and time-restricted eating as tools for enhancing metabolic health and extending health span. Exercise is portrayed not just as a means to burn calories, but as a vital component of maintaining muscle mass, cognitive function, and metabolic health as we age. Attia breaks down the types of exercise that are most beneficial for longevity, including strength training, cardiovascular exercise, and mobility work, underscoring the importance of consistency and progression. Sleep, often undervalued in our fast-paced society, is highlighted for its critical role in overall health. Attia explains how sleep affects everything from cognitive function and emotional stability to metabolic health and immune function. He provides practical tips for improving sleep quality and underscores the dangers of chronic sleep deprivation. Stress management is addressed as a crucial aspect of maintaining mental and physical health. Attia discusses the physiological impacts of chronic stress and offers strategies for resilience, including mindfulness practices, meditation, and the development of a positive mental outlook. Despite the book's comprehensive approach and evidence-based recommendations, Outlive has faced criticism. Some argue that Attia's recommendations, while ideal, may not be practical for the average person due to time, financial, or resource constraints. Others caution that the book sometimes leans on emerging and not yet fully established science, potentially overstating the benefits of certain interventions. Nevertheless, Outlive serves as a valuable resource for those interested in the intersection of lifestyle and longevity. It prompts readers to reconsider their daily habits and provides a blueprint for a life lived well into old age. For those fascinated by the prospect of a longer, healthier life, Outlive by Peter Attia is a must-read. You can find a link to the book in the description below. We're eager to hear your thoughts on Outlive and the approach to longevity Peter Attia advocates. Do you find his perspectives on health and aging persuasive? Are there elements you find particularly compelling or challenging? Please share your views in the comment section. If you value content that explores the depths of health, longevity, and living well, consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to continue providing insightful and engaging content. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.